Good whatever time of day you're watching this, and welcome to the Ray Train. Join the train by subscribing and click the bell so the train goes woo! I thought today might be slightly exciting, so I decided to come along, I guess. Yeah. So in my previous two last Friday's video, and then my Rebel Senior vlog, there was a rattling, and I figured out it wasn't the lens thing here, it was my mic. So hopefully it's fixed. I sure hope it is. Here's me getting ready. Enjoy that. Alright, I'm gonna attempt to give you an update on the farm. First off, there's snow on the ground. Sort of. It's melting. As you can see. The update. We are separating the bull from the herd so that he doesn't get anybody else pregnant. Because if you separate him, then it makes it like the right time. You can just like, how do I put this? You can track when you want to have calves, basically. If you separate the bull, then you can track when you're going to have calves. When you put them back with the herd, then you can track when they're going to give birth again. So, there's a couple steers with the bull because we're weaning them, and weaning means taking it away from its mom so that it doesn't nurse on its mom anymore, kind of like humans. You can start bottle feeding them or whatever. So they're in that pen over there. With like, there's like 3 steers with them, I think. And then this pen in front of me, we have, I think, 3 steers and 1 heifer. Heifer means they haven't been bred yet. They've never had a calf before. So they are, I think the heifer is being weaned, but we didn't want to put the heifer with the bull because then the bull would breed her, and she's too young to be bred. So, would you guys be quiet? Okay, so then the steers in here are being fed out, which means we're giving them grain, we're giving them bales, we're making them fat, beefy, and then they're gonna go to the freezer, basically, to be eaten, because that's the way God made it. He gave us animals to eat, so we are eating them humanely. Okay, so this is the pen that they're in, and they are separated because we can't like feed out the entire herd. We just want to feed out these. And then the heifer, she's just chilling. I'm pretty sure this is the heifer right here. This is the heifer right here. She's just chilling with her boyfriends. Now her boyfriends can't get her pregnant, so that's that. You know, that's good. You shouldn't let your boyfriend get you pregnant, but if it happens, have the baby. And then that's the rest of the herd over there in that pen. And they're all separated and happy. Now we do have some calves. We have some new calves because they are giving birth. I'm not completely sure why Dad wants us to have calves in the winter because it's cold. So calves and cold, I don't understand that, but that's the way it went. So maybe we're separating him better now. Not completely sure. And then of course we have the sheep. The sheepies. I hope all of this made sense. I understand it, I think. So we have one ewe. I think that's what it's called. It's basically a steer sheep. So our ram, his foot was a little hurt, but we're pretty sure he's good now because we cleaned it and we clipped it and stuff. So now we gotta move cows. Sheep update, the ewe is gonna be butchered, that's that. And then the ram got everybody pregnant, so we're gonna have new baby lambs. Now I gotta move the sheep into their pen so that Dad can get them this gate without the sheep escaping. Go through that gate and feed these guys a bale. See me? You see me? You see me? You get me? You feel me? Whatever they say these days. Now sheep are pretty cooperative most of the time. Unless they're not today. Oh my word, they're not cooperative today. That's for sure. We'll try a second strategy. Come on, sheep. Come here, go on in. These guys are my second strategy is not working. Second strategy is a win. That's how you do it, folks. Never let a gate swing. Okay? Always walk with it. Because it can hurt the hinges. Or like where it's attached, it can rip it and make it sideways. Which can, yeah, you know, hurt the gate. See, if you ever want to become a farmer, just watch the Ray train. I got you covered. You're gonna be all farmed up. Now when you feed a bale, you want to do it early in the morning if it's winter time. Because that's when the ground's frozen. Unless you live somewhere where it's always frozen, then it doesn't matter. But where we are, it thaws. Well, at this point in winter, it thaws in the mornings or in the afternoons. Now it is like 12 o'clock, but you want to feed it earlier in the morning so you don't mess up your ground when you're feeding a bale or you're doing something with a tractor that's heavy. Now, if your tractor's light enough, it won't matter, but if it's heavy, it could tear up your field if it's thawing and, you know, mud. Yeah. We're at a farm store now. This is cute.
I'm looking for something else. I'm going to deal with wet wood. I'm going to try to do that wood thing. It's soaked, so we do this. Well, I haven't gone and inventoried our gloves, but yes, we do have a lot of them. Can't help being smart. Nice.
Oh, I look like I have snow on my head.
Squares.
So we went to the farm store and looked at some gloves. And then we went back to the farm after looking at fence. And the fence is for the sheep to keep them out of the alfalfa bale. Now we're eating lunch at 3 or 2:30, and we might go back to cut some wood. Here's the plan. We're gonna split wood until it's dark.
Here, Rachel.
And then we're gonna feed the steers. And then we'll go home.
I'm getting undressed.
Thank you guys for watching. I know this vlog was kind of long, probably. I hope it wasn't boring. You learned a lot about cows and stuff, so that's fun. I keep saying join the raid train by subscribing and click the bell so the train goes woo woo! Thank you so much for watching, supporting the raid train, and subscribing. Have a blessed day.